lesson number 1, 2, 3, what we are going to learn. Today we are going to learn lesson number 7. I think you have seen lesson number 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now in previous lesson number 6 we have learned this, right? Now you will learn it, double and triple. But today we are not learning that. We are learning another sarigama on screen number 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And after that we are going to learn 3, 2, 1. I am saying that fret number screen number 4, 3, 2, 1. But 4, 3, 2, 1, right? That is not that lesson we have learned the lesson number 3 or 4. That was C model scale, right? We are going to learn more on it. Let's start. I am showing you that you can see darkness. Okay, let's start. This and that. Just to see, right? You have to learn it this way. This is wrong. Many of you do like this. This is wrong. I am playing this again. This is color. Now this is another sarigama. You have seen this, right? Now we are going to learn this chord. Fret number 3, 4, 2. Now 3, 5, no, 5, not 5, 6, 6, 7, 5, 6, 6, 5, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 2. Now you will practice this double and triple. Now another sarigama we are going to learn. This is the another sarigama. This is the another sarigama. Now we are going to learn this. Your finger on fret number. What is fret number 5 on string 3.